Hello and welcome to WhiteDetails. What we're looking at here is a brand new, unique, stunning, exclusive, gorgeous Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato shooting brake. In total there are 325 Zagatos out there. This is spread across 4 different platforms: the Coupe, the Volante, which is the convertible, the shooting brake and the Speedster. 99 Coupes, 99 Volantes and 99 shooting brakes, and only 28 Speedsters. At this point, unfortunately, the vlog takes a change of pace, change of direction. What was a beautiful 35-minute episode, if I say so myself, after about 13 hours of editing, I've had to restrict the episode down to just the after footage of the vehicle, the Zagato, as it left, the after footage. So I've got to respect the owner's request and also other legal reasons why I can't show what I was going to show. It pains me to unfortunately miss out on what I did document, the journal that I had created. But going forward, we rejoin the action. I think at the interior stage, I'm just about to sort of investigate the interior, take off the stickers, the protection from the speakers and the seats, and then there's at least the after footage to look forward to. Otherwise, we'll see you again very soon.
Then it got stuck down to something like that. Better maybe. Oh, look who it is! Did you take your own kids and embarrass them if you're singing, dancing?
Thursday morning on the shooting brake, the wheels are just receiving their coating, carbon collective platinum wheels, a high temp wheel coating to go on the calipers and the exhausts as well. It's fast approaching 9:30. In here till just after 8:30 last night to try and get things settled, toothpickery in and around the door shuts, the glass has been done already. Almost there, the interior works, it needs stripping off, it needs all the plastics and stuff taken out, which has obviously now been done. And can you see on the seat here, sorry about the shadows, there's a 50-50, dirty, clean on the leather, dirty, clean. People hopping in and out with sort of rich coloured trousers, jeans, maybe chinos, and the majority of the time this seat has been covered up. Certainly arrived here with the seats covered up. When I saw the car at the factory, they were exposed, but clean the leather, protect the leather, whiz around the shiny bits, the carbon fibre, and then we're about there. Hopefully run around with some after footage, see it in the sun. Today is a bright, sunny, nice day. And that'll be about all, folks. Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato shooting brake complete. This is an advanced new car prep. New car prep that boasts a full correction to chase out all the sander marks and all the haze and the dull patches that you'd seen. So the car now heads back onto the road, cover transport back to Newport Pagnell to the Heritage Centre, Aston Martin Works, where it will receive its full PPF paint protection film, which, to be honest, is the best thing for the car. I think the value of the vehicle, how soft the clear coat is, it's extremely soft lacquer. Coatings would help, don't get me wrong, make it hydrophobic and easy to wash, but you have to be so careful. So a PPF barrier. What we have done is we treated the interior, we treated the exhaust, the calipers, glass and wheels inside and out. And I believe the sun is out, so we're going to run the car outside now before it's picked up this afternoon, get some after footage, film the after footage of the vehicle inside. So don't forget to check out Instagram for daily insights, behind the scenes and updates. Also thank you to the patrons, the White Detail patrons, who get exclusive access and early review footage of the works going on here. Hit subscribe if you're not already, and if you like the content, you want to see more of it in the coming months, be sure to check back in the archives. There's plenty more in-depth, detailed restoration jobs on older cars. And if you've enjoyed, hit the thumbs up.